Hi guys. So I added rollovers versus withdrawals, right, to this class because last year when having a couple of conversations with a couple of investors, this is a way that we also raise capital. So um, there was some confusion about the difference between a withdrawal and a rollover, and to this day, I still haven't won their business on this, and so. Um, a withdrawal in most accounts or your retirement account does have a tax implication on it, right? It can impact your long-term retirement, right? A rollover in most cases, I have to have these disclosures because somebody's out there is going to be like, well, no, not this, whatever. A rollover in most cases does not have any tax or no penalties are incurred, right? A withdrawal has penalties incurred in most cases. A rollover doesn't. So basically for you to move your money from one retirement account to another retirement account, whether it's a traditional retirement account or self-directed retirement account, there are no penalties that are being incurred, right? And it maintains its tax deferred status. You have to understand that if you're new to this. In other words, too, you might want to consider this too, where you might have worked a job previously, and so you have your retirement account over that in that area, and now you have a new job, and now you've established that. So again, I'm not giving any advice here, but sometimes people like to consolidate their accounts, and so you can do that by rolling over one account into the other account.